Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Redis Cloud easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Redis Cloud website. Click on the sign up button located in the top right corner of the home page. Fill in your details on the registration form. Provide your email address, create a password, and enter any other required information. Read and accept the terms of service if prompted. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Redis Cloud. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Return to the Redis Cloud website and log in using your email and password. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Redis Cloud dashboard. Look for the Create a Database option on the dashboard. Select the type of database that suits your needs from the available options. Choose the plans that fit your requirements based on capacity and features. Review the pricing details for the selected plan before proceeding. Click on the Create Database button to finalize your choice. Wait a few moments while your database is being created. Once the process is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. Your new Redis Cloud database will now be listed on your dashboard. You are now ready to start using Redis Cloud for your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.